Hey, are you a first-time home buyer, downsizing, or possibly an investor? Regardless what it is, 912 Platinum in Princeton, Texas has something for you. Come with me, let's take a look. This single-story home offers 1,650 square feet of bright, open living space featuring 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a sizable backyard. Step into an eat-in kitchen with gleaming granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and a spacious open floor plan, perfect for any occasion. Enjoy easy care tile floors throughout the main areas and fresh new carpet in all rooms. The large primary bedroom is a true retreat, complete with a private bathroom and a walk-in closet for all your storage needs. Located off Highway 380 with a quick drive to Highway 75 and McKinney, this home puts you close to local amenities while keeping travel convenient. One of the things that I love about this home is how close it is to the Amenity Center. If you look right down there, you'll see that the Amenity Center is less than a block away and has all sorts of great items, including splash pad, pool, and even the playground. Hey, so if you're ready to make your move, give me a call. We'd love to show you the home. Sam Thomas, Providence Group Realty. I'll see you then.